Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, I will teach you step by step how to add video clips to your projects on Google Slides, formerly known as Google Presentation. So let's get started. Now guys, head over to Google Slides, start a new presentation like that here, demonstration purposes, and next select the page of your presentation you would like to add your video clip to. Like I will go, for example, with presentation page number 5 because there's a lot of space here in the bottom left corner. So what you want to do next, guys, is click on insert here at the top and select video from that drop down menu. Now there are two different ways how you can add video clips to your presentations. You either embed a video from YouTube or you upload one of your own videos, for example, saved on your Google Drive account. So to do that, guys, select YouTube here, for example, and next head over to YouTube, search for the video you would like to embed. Like for demonstration purposes, I will go with a video in the yoga or yoga for beginners niche, just like that. Select the video you would like to embed and next click on that button here to the right and select share from the drop down menu. Copy the URL of the video you would like to embed, head back to your document or presentation in Google Slides and paste the URL here where it says search all of YouTube or paste URL. So paste it here, press enter on your keyboard. That will add that YouTube video to your library. Next, select it with your left mouse and click on insert here in the bottom right corner. There you go. As you can see, that YouTube video has been successfully embedded. Now guys, you can customize it and adjust its position and size by holding your left mouse and dragging its corners here, or position it here more to the left, for example. You can also watch it in the preview by clicking on that play button there. Alright, so let me delete it for demonstration purposes and show you option number 2, which would be adding video clips, for example, you saved on Google Drive. So to do that, click on insert again and select video from the drop down menu. Click on back here and next select Google Drive from that menu there. And next select the video you have saved on your Google Drive, like for example that one here. Select it with your left mouse and confirm by clicking on insert here in the bottom right corner. And last but not least, adjust its size and position by holding your left mouse and moving its corners just like that. Position it properly, watch it in the preview mode by clicking on play here, and that's basically it. You can also do some minor customization work by, for example, muting the video's audio here to the right by changing its rotation, position, its size. You can select its starting and ending point there, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.